Mumbunge wa mathioya Arimu na kuondoa kwa TV na kulari Goro Wa Githomo imurikite ucio ngira gicunjiria thutha kuma kuongerera mipundikio na Kenya School na gite gicunji kia 55 na Kenya School na Mugo.
The Education Committee in Parliament is well versed on this matter and they are looking at it, and actually the problem is not even the school fees. The problem is the capitation, and this is something that we are looking at as Parliament to ensure that the current capitation that is given to each kid, that the whole amount is dispersed to schools. Like right now, only 55% has been dispersed to schools, and that is why secondary schools are struggling. They are also even because of the school fees, because of the disbursement criteria.
Niogite aciari Mugo na njira ya Mumbunge na kuria uhoro wa kinyana kiu niguo makorwo mathete mbere ya bithi ya grade tondu maramenya ni marahitukira ihinda riritu tondu njagana muture kwambata.
In Parliament, we will also look at the budget to make sure that the capitation that was being given 10 years ago is the same capitation that is being given now. And we know the cost of living has gone up.